Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough.
Cheers. I see.
Take first.
Tell me something brand new. You said this is something you never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you'll be.
With the food. I think I want to eat.
Gonna eat?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay. Oh, because my brain's weird. It's gonna be crowded here later.
I think I said enough. You said you love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Just do it. Don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Morning, guys. It's snowing right now. So this is the current situation. It's so cold, and according to the forecast, there's gonna be a snowstorm tonight. Woo! It's too thick. It's too thick. OMG! My favorite Philippine ice cream. Super quiet. Nobody's outside. And of course, we don't have a car, so we're walking.
Look at Yuta's bag. It's covered with snow. It's a lot of snow. Let me pug this one first.
That is called pug.
In Cebuano. Oh my gosh.
Like we say like pom pom.
Pom pom?
Oh, pom.
Pom pom in Japanese? So funny, yeah. It's pug in Cebuano. Oh, it's so beautiful. Thank you. All the cars are covered. This is amazing. It's beautiful.